Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Ridgeline key fob battery. It's a simple process that can save you a trip to the dealership. You'll only need a few items: a new CR2032 3-volt coin battery, which is widely available, and a small flathead screwdriver or your key fob's built-in valet key to help open the casing. Let's get started. The first step is to access the battery compartment. Begin by locating the small button on the back of your key fob and slide it to release the internal valet key. Pull this key out completely. Next, look for a small indentation or slot between the two halves of the key fob. Carefully insert the tip of your valet key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the fob should then separate. With the key fob open, you will see the old, circular CR2032 battery. It's usually held in place by small clips. Use your small flathead screwdriver or the valet key to gently pry the old battery out of its slot. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt coin battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards. After inserting the new battery, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place, ensuring all edges are flush. Don't forget to slide the valet key back into its compartment until it locks. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. Your key fob should now be fully functional with its fresh power source.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.